I make my favorite breakfast with a sweet potato. They are high in potassium, vitamin A, amazing for your skin, and I'll add a bunch of other ingredients which make it very yummy and very unexpected. So let's go. I'm already starting to boil some water and I'm cut the sweet potato in smaller pieces to basically make it steam faster, because we're going to steam this beautiful sweet potato. Let's see how I'll cut it. Probably any chef in the world will probably laugh at me right now, but this is how it's done. Look how beautiful this looks. So it's already starting to boil. I'm adding some more hot water onto it. I'll add the sweet potatoes in here to steam, put a lid on top of it, clean the mess. So, and now we're going to set the timer for 30 minutes. You can also do it in the evening, which will save you definitely some time. I'll get the potatoes out now. Yeah, they got definitely boiled and cooked. So you see actually the skin, you can literally peel super easily once it's boiled. And I put them on a different plate because actually the skin is very nutritious and I love to eat it separately. See, the skin is like super easy to peel off. Okay, so now we have our sweet potatoes. We're gonna mash this baby up and we're gonna add our secret ingredients. So let's get into the fridge. I'm gonna put like some coconut cream and or milk into it, and make sure this coconut milk doesn't have any sugar or any added chemicals. This one in particular has literally only water and coconut in it. Then we add some cinnamon. Cinnamon is amazing to actually regulate your blood sugar so you don't have that many crazy glucose spikes. This is not sponsored and you can use anything else. We are putting some collagen. I'm also add some chia seeds for more fiber, for protein, and to make you feel fuller for longer. And now I'm gonna mix this thing up so it looks like this, and it already tastes super yummy. I love it. So we'll add another plate just to half it. And then we are gonna add our blueberries. I love to put as many as I can. Blueberries are amazing antioxidants, amazing for your skin. And we add them to our breakfast. And then you can actually garnish it with whatever you want. I put some almonds and some more raw coconut flakes, which I love. I love these. And last but not least, I actually love to add a little bit of almond butter to give it another nice flavor. And there you have it, a super delicious breakfast bowl with sweet potatoes, which will give you a lot of benefits for your skin, for your health. It will make you feel full. And honestly, it tastes really, really good. It's very unexpected. I just tried it recently and it's one of my favorites. So try it out. Let me know what you think. And if you have maybe some tips to enhance that recipe even further, I can't wait to see you next time. Till then, mwah.